Back, everybody. My name is Steve Smith. I'm the editor of PHC News Magazine, and we're coming to you live from the AHR Expo. It's a good thing that everyone is back in person. We weren't able to get together for a couple of years. The show literally is just open for a half hour. There's a lot of people milling about in the aisles that I can see from our booth here. We have three people today from Armstrong Fluid Technology. My first guest is sitting right next to me right now, and I'll introduce his two colleagues as they come to the table. First, we got Matthew Berrell. He's the National Sales Manager, Construction Wholesale Distribution for Armstrong. Thanks, Matt. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks. Good morning, Steve.
So, let's get right to it. What do you got that's new and exciting at your booth?
All right. Well, we're really excited to be back too. Really happy to be back at the show live, and glad to be exhibiting a lot of our performance solutions in the booth. Really a few that I want to highlight for us here is we're going to be showing our OptiPoint control system. OptiPoint is our edge computing optimization system that utilizes machine learning to make sure your system is running at its optimal point at all times.
Okay.
So that's going to be one thing I want to make sure everybody comes to take a look at. The second piece is our Evercool system, which is a tier 3 mission critical data center control system. That's there, and it's able to come out of our site, 85% complete, reduction of your installation time on site, and it gives us that switchover we need to maximize our uptime in a data center. Okay. So that's really an exciting product, really critical data center need, and a huge growth market here in the U.S.
Okay.
The final items we have. A lot of our design envelope products and our design envelope solutions we've expanded. So we've got our outdoor design envelope pump on display, and a really cool display. I really encourage everybody to come see it. We've got some cool interactive dynamic displays this year in the booth.
Good.
We're also showing our new design envelope permanent magnet medium-sized pump, which is coming this year.
Okay.
So very excited.
You mentioned the booth. Where are you?
We are in booth C4534. That's Charlie 4534.
Okay. And I'm sure you want good things from all three of these products you mentioned, but is there one that's maybe more growth oriented than the others, or I mean, you mentioned the data centers is hot.
For us, the real opportunity is to get into that edge on the computing side, get into the optimization, and really help our customers wring out all the energy they can and make sure they're getting the best out of their plants.
All right, very good, very good. And so those are three things at the booth. It sounds like you got some really good displays. I know I think there's a press event later today, and you got a party tonight as well.
Absolutely.
But what's not at the show, I think you're working on.
So, there's always more things.
Don't let the cat out of the bag.
Yeah, there's always
maybe
more things we're working on, but our product development team, they're not quite ready to let it out yet. But we have, one of the things we do have coming is a design envelope energy transfer station.
Okay.
It's going to be a really innovative solution in the district energy world on the building side of the loop. That I think people will be really excited about once it comes out. It really comes down to optimizing our heat exchange and our pumping solutions together.
Okay.
So very excited to have that coming up soon.
Still in the works, or maybe soon this year?
I would say we're getting close.
Okay.
Not going to commit just yet, but we're getting close.
All right. Well, thanks, Matt. We're going to ask you to pass the mic to Paul.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thanks again. I'll see you at the booth. Hey, Paul.
Hi, how's it going?
Very good. How are you?
Excellent.
Well, I'll tell you what, my last name is Smith.
Okay.
A lot of people's last names are very hard for me to pronounce.
Okay.
So I'll let you introduce yourself.
Sure. So I'm Paul Scarafile.
That's just like it sounds.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yep.
So tell me a little bit about what's going. I'm sorry, you are the director of Canada sales.
That's correct.
For Armstrong. So what's going up in the Great White North that might be a little different than down here?
Actually, we're pretty consistent around the world,
Okay.
but we've got we're really excited about being here at the show. But we're really excited about our new approach with our clients.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got a 360 approach to services and supporting our clients.
So tell us about that. What's involved?
Yeah, I mean, it's really cool. It's one of those. It's an approach that we're utilizing to ensure that we really look after our customers for the life cycle of their technologies and equipment and systems in their buildings.
Okay.
So we're really excited about that. So this 360 level of support and services, the foundation of it though is based on connected technologies.
Yes.
And making sure that the technologies and services that we provide to our clients are through our connected world. Yeah.
And Paul, is this new, or I mean, obviously you've always taking care of the customers. That's nothing new.
That's correct.
What's the 360? I guess what's the focus
Yeah,
there?
I guess what's new now is the fact that we are connected to our clients, connected from a technology perspective, and being able to be connected, and especially with customers now looking at smart building technology.
Yeah.
What we've done is then by being connected, our technology allows us to get involved very early in the all aspects of the building. So we're really looking at a total approach. So we identify it as our building life cycle performance,
right,
and we offer some solutions around that. So that's really exciting. So we stay with our technology within the buildings, and then we're able to provide those proactive services by being connected and really leveraging all the analytics that we have.
Obviously very important these days.
Absolutely.
I mean, that's just the way
it really
is.
focuses on those operational efficiencies for clients and making sure that their buildings are being well looked after, so the technology is doing what it's required.
Yeah, I'm just kind of curious. I mean, the catchphrase these days is predictive maintenance, I guess.
Absolutely.
That's what we're talking about here? Yeah.
Yeah, it's predictive. It is predictive maintenance, but it's predictive maintenance at a higher level because we're able to anticipate. Just because we are connected. And then how our technology connects with the rest of the building systems. So it allows us to be really, really proactive. So on day one, our equipment provides the right efficiencies and operational control. But then as things change in a building, as we all know, there's changes in building loads and occupant loads. We're able to anticipate what's going on and provide a lot of analytics around that to help our clients.
Yeah, it sounds very interesting. I wonder if you could break it down a little bit. Say I'm a contractor.
Sure.
How am I tied in with everything?
Well,
with this
how
360 program.
Well, how it helps contractors is because of our 360 approach, where we have the ability to make sure that our equipment, we can give those contractors the best total first cost in getting the equipment installed, and then during the warranty period, when contractors still have a direct connection to the equipment and having to look after it, we provide services to them, and then we're able to do that in a very proactive way.
Good.
And again, our connected technology allows us to do that. So that's why we call it a performance-based service that we provide.
Okay. A lot of good products on the booth. This is a little bit more conceptual, I suppose. But is there a display or?
There is. There is. If you come to the booth, we're actually leading with our 360 approach to our support and services. Well, we can definitely talk a little bit more about our performance management services and how that works and the kind of value it provides building owners, contractors, and consulting engineers also.
Yeah. And I know you have an event at your booth later this afternoon. I assume you're going to be talking more about that as well for everybody that's here, I guess.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. So we'll have an opportunity to have that. Yeah, this afternoon, and then we have a really nice customer appreciation evening.
I know all about that one too.
All
right. Very good.
Good.
Well, thanks, Paul.
Yeah, thank you.
We're going to welcome your next colleague here. Hey, how are you?
How are you? Good to see you.
All right, let me make sure I got this. Joao Paulo.
Yes, it's
How's
Joao
that?
Paulo.
Okay.
Joao Paulo. But call me JP if it's
JP?
easier for you. Yeah.
Well, why don't you introduce yourself fully?
My name is Joao Paulo Violante. I am the sales director for Armstrong for Latin America. Yeah. I've been working in this industry for more than 30 years.
30 years,
And Latin America is where I call home, even though I live in the U.S. But
So can you tell us a little bit more about what might be happening down in your neck of the woods?
Yeah, I think it's, probably you know that Latin America was very hard hit the last 2 years by COVID. But we are start seeing the market is coming back. And there's a big, a big push for energy efficiency because energy prices are going up everywhere.
Right.
So we believe that that's a great opportunity for.
I haven't had a chance to get to your booth, but I know there's some signage about sustainability and some of the programs that are tied to that. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, we back in 2018 we signed a pledge, the 2 by 22, where Armstrong committed to reduce 2 million tons of greenhouse gases by the year of 2022.
By 2022.
And we are not
this year.
Yeah, this year.
All right.
Actually, we will have an announcement today at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
So I'm assuming you're on schedule.
Yeah, I think.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. So basically, I think our sustainability initiatives, they work in two fronts, right? One is we work with our customers to help them reduce their greenhouse gases,
Okay.
and that's part 2 by 22.
Ah,
Right?
okay.
And back in 2013, we signed we pledged to our net zero commitment.
Yes.
That means that by 2030, all our plants around the world will be net zero. So we have identified people inside our company. They
Okay.
are our sponsors. And the way we are going to work is through 2 areas, I would say. Energy efficiency, which is in our core of what we do. And also in the generation of renewable energy. Our plants will have solar panels or windmills or stuff like that.
Okay, okay. So this 2 by 22 commitment that
Yes.
you're going to talk more about today,
Yeah.
that's a global initiative? It's not
Yes.
just in Latin America or
No,
North
no,
America,
it's a
but yeah,
global
everything.
initiative.
And it's your manufacturing as well as installation, or?
Yeah, we will work with our customers as well, helping them reduce the
Okay.
greenhouse gases.
All right. Well, we're going to know more about that today, I guess.
Yeah,
All
5
right,
o'clock.
Perfect, perfect. So, I want to wrap everything up a little bit more, and I certainly want to see that booth.
Yes,
But what
please.
else? What else is going on as far as trends that you can talk about?
I'm sorry?
Trends, industry trends.
Well, I think the most significant trend, at least that affects ours, is decarbonization, right? How we can help our customers.
Decarbonization.
Yes,
Yeah.
to remove carbon
Yeah.
and move into the more energy efficient systems. right?
Okay.
And I believe that's, you probably heard my colleagues before talking about the optimization of the plants and how we can help our customers.
Right.
I would say that this is our biggest trend that we, and the other one is digitalization. We're moving all this service to the cloud.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So connectivity,
Right.
Interoperability,
Right.
and definitely energy efficiency.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Well, good. Well, thanks for stopping by.
Okay, thank you
We're
very
going to
much.
definitely see that booth. And is there anything else that
No,
I haven't asked you about the company, or what maybe is in store in year ahead?
I'm sorry?
Is there anything else you'd like to add that I
No,
haven't
I'm
asked
fine.
about?
I just invite everyone to stop by our booth. We have amazing products and solutions that
Good.
we would like to share.
Good, good.
Okay.
And that booth again is C4534.
That's correct.
All right,
Okay.
perfect. Joao Paulo,
Yes.
yeah? How'd I do?
Thank you.
Good?
Thank you very much.
All right,
Very
thanks,
good.
thanks for coming
Okay.
by.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, everybody, we're going to take a little bit of a break, and and we'll be back very shortly. Thank you again.